back with another video, and today we are going to be making some easy carrot cake mix, which is really good so you don't need any parent supervision for the starting. So if you guys want to continue watching the video, please like, subscribe and turn your post notifications so you never miss a video like this one. So let's get on with the video. So the first thing you'll be needing is an apron. You will also be needing a bowl with a spoon and also an egg. You will also be needing 1/3 of a cup of oil and 2/3 of a cup of water. You will also be needing a baking tin and some baking paper and also a cooling rack. So now we can start opening up the carrot cake mix. So now we're going to cut it up and tip it into the bowl. We're going to tip in the oil and the water. And lastly, the egg. And now we're going to stir. I've finished the mixing and it should look like that. We're going to put it in the baking tin with the baking paper. Tip it in. That we have put it all in the tin. We will be needing parent supervision because we have to put it in the oven for 40 minutes.
Giselle?
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
Now in the oven it goes. Now that is sitting in the oven, we are going to start to make our icing mix. So we are going to cut this open and tip it into the bowl. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And the last ingredient for this icing mix is 2 teaspoons of milk. And now we mix. Okay guys, so if the icing's looking like this, well, it's meant to look like this. So guys, it is currently finished and this is what it looks like and this is what it's meant to look like. So guys, it is currently cooling on the rack. It is meant to sit for about 5 minutes, but ours will need a lot longer.
So Giselle, are you happy with your creation?
You're kidding, right?
Is it everything you expected?
No, I thought it was going to look like this, as I always do. When you look at it, don't always trust the picture, guys, because this is the icing when it's meant to look like this. So don't always trust the picture, guys.
All right, but we'll see what it looks like when it's all finished.
Because so now we're going to tip it in.